May nobody come tell you say na John man. That man no be John man. That man na Satan pikin. He want to make her die. Then they call say na John matter. That I used to say they come here. Maybe me I didn't make her when they call. They come kill her. If I come call her, then nobody go join. Waiting then they drag, you don't know. You know waiting then they drag? No. You know the agreement where they sign? No. Agreement in agreement, you know be so. Yes, agreement in agreement, you know be so. Yes, agreement in agreement, you know be so. Yes, make them do their own agreement. You know consign you say make them come kill you. It's stand family front. You know do how many things and make them come kill us. Peace there for River State. We drive IGBO, we come out there. The building is gone there. This don't do liquid. That's some thousands of these streets. Look at where. Now they come out from inside. Then they fire us. Waiting to happen. Waiting to happen. Waiting to happen. Waiting to happen. Double bukere. Don't stay for my back. They carry call to people drive from our trouble. Now this one they carry the fire also. Now this big one the fire big. Nothing up. It's no phone where tambulo. Tambulo be or mama dey go tambulo. When you are kicking your leg against the rock. When you are standing in front of a moving train. We have no problem with him. We did not look for his problem. He said we should die. Now he decides as Sawana. Now he know Kalabari. Now he know Sawana. Make him carry him. No, if he's German, make him carry him for him. If Sawana go work for him, make him work for him. But make none of us go join. Make nobody carry my name go join this fight. I know this. This fight I know. Yeah. This fight I know. Yeah. Wike was governor for 8 years. For 4 years I fight Wike till the end. Not the way Wike called to talk to me and come kill me. Now me you won't carry cement your relationship with Wike. Make them come kill me. People say na Wike sender. Oh, Wike send me, but he may not do it. This why don't consign us. When they fight me, crow. Okay. Crow. Well, if you win, you be my own. Anybody will win, na my own. I don't tell anywhere. I tell people say power is transient. Power is what? Power dey like bus stop. As if they come, they say, my one. That one carry people go. Another one come, my one. He carry people go. Now see they go. Bus no dey remain for bus stop. Now so power dey. Now so power. Power is transient. When you have power, you should know that one day power will leave you. Don't think that you will be there in power forever. Don't think that the people that help you climb up, you cut off the ladder immediately you get there. Where you they go, you know whether Eagle, they way one conquer eagle. You don't know. Power is transmitted. People don't learn. They get too moved by power. Now make them talk say, make you come from where you know something. I am an Amakri. My fathers have had power for over 300 years. Power means nothing to me. I am a Tiabali. I am a Dombo. My fathers have been Arusa. They've been billionaires in their time. Money does not mean anything. Money does not excite me. There is selling the power of war. It don't wait tomorrow. Why should I be carried away by money of today? Somebody that they don't know you from anywhere. A benevolent spirit crack your kernel for you. And instead of you to be grateful, you become arrogant. A benevolent spirit from one Ipokubio went and brought you from one Ipokubio, you now say you are Gagariga. The Lalayovori. The Lalayovori. You're a second. You don't know that. You don't know that. Power is transient. As you are carrying gun, it is transient. Today you are carrying gun, tomorrow you are not carrying gun. When you carry gun, you can go get people. You can't go intimidate people. You can't go take another person's wife. You can't go take another person's girlfriend. Like go pull a ticket. We go carry another person's wife, pull a dancer in permit. Native doctor. Now they do medicine for other people. You go carry another person's wife, pull a dancer in permit. Make you know say everything in this world is temporary. Everything in this world, you will leave it.